of a sudden, you're not really climbing as fast anymore. It's a little bit quieter and everyone's looking at you. Because really, all you can do is smile, but you know something's wrong. The captain hasn't called yet. Just waiting to hear what's about to happen, saying a couple prayers, and smiling, but really I'm scared. Captain calls. Hello, we just had an engine failure. Oh, okay. And we'll be returning back to where we came from. Oh, okay, and I'll call you back. Oh, okay. Now the passenger's still looking at me talking about, are we okay? Yeah, we're okay. We're gonna be okay. But I knew this was gonna be okay because my captain's A1. First officer, he's brand new in IOE. Third day of flying our aircraft. But I wasn't scared of that. But yeah, currently all passengers are off and we're safely on the ground. Day 4, yay!